This incredibly verdant and delicious, nutty carrot top pesto. Getting really close to it because it smells delicious. So this is made with something that we often throw away, which is the tops of carrots, obviously, as the name suggests, which are kind of like a turbocharged parsley. So they've got loads and loads of flavour, loads of goodness, and it's all too often something we throw in the bin. So I'm going to talk you through how to make it. You just need a few things, a bunch of carrot tops, don't throw those away, some toasted nuts, a handful or so of your favourite nuts. I used almonds, a handful of cheese or a little bit of nush if you're vegan, some really nice olive oil, and if you like, a little bit of acidity and sweetness to balance it out. So yeah, just so you can see, I like my pesto a little bit chunky. Obviously feel free to blend yours for a smoother finish, or if you're eating with kids who are quite sensitive to texture, let me know what you think.